To do a power base control replacement, we already have our bolts out, 4 hex bolts to get rid of the rear rack. Set that aside. You're going to need a 3A socket and a 5/16 wrench. Take out the 2 thumb screws, top side, remove the cover. Set it aside. Loosen 2 bolts. And your power base is free. Disconnect the wires before you pull this thing off. Put your new one on, reconnect everything. Everything's right here and zip tied on these looms, so you don't have to worry about the wires getting all out of whack.